look at this number, 394.512. Which digit is in the ones place? Well, with whole numbers, the ones place is the digit on the end, but here we have a decimal, so we need to count place values from the decimal point. The ones place value column is always the place value before the decimal point, so for this number, the digit before the decimal point is a 4, so we have 4 ones in this number. Now, which digit is in the thousandths place? It's important that we don't get confused with thousands. This says thousandths with a TH. And remember, after the decimal point, we have the tenths, then the hundredths, then the third digit after the decimal point is the thousandths digit. So for this number, we find the decimal point, and the thousandths place will be the third digit after the decimal point. So we have 2 thousandths. Now, what is the value of the digit 9? So we can find the digit 9, and we can see that that's the second digit before the decimal point. And before the decimal point, we have our ones and then our tens. So this 9 represents 9 tens, which is 90. Now look at this number. We have 1,432.587. Which digit is in the tenths place? Well, the tenths place value column is always the first digit after the decimal point. So we find our decimal point, and then the first digit after it is a 5, so we have 5 tenths. Now, which digit is in the thousandths place? Notice it says thousands, it doesn't say thousandths. So we can count place values from the decimal point, and the thousandths place value is the fourth digit before the decimal point. So for this number, we have 1 in our thousandths place. Now, what is the value of the digit 8? So we can find the digit 8, and we can see that it's the second digit after the decimal point. Now, after the decimal point, we have our tenths, and then the second digit after the decimal point is our hundredths digit. So this 8 stands for 8 hundredths. We can write that as a decimal as 0.08. So we have a 0 in our tenths, so that this 8 stands for 8 hundredths. We could also show the value as the fraction 8 over 100, because that's 8 hundredths. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.